Good afternoon, business owners. My name is Josme Gutierrez, your strategic banking ally at GeeGoals. Today, I want to remind you that you have to protect your cash now more than ever. Why? Because money is hard to make, easy to spend, and complex to manage. This video is specifically for those businesses out there that were expecting the SBA loan, but now they don't know if they're gonna get funded or not, at least this week, which the answer for you guys is most likely no. So keep that in mind. But let's say that you get funded next week or maybe next month, right? At this point, all you have to do is strategize, right? Work with that SBA officer. If you need funded like yesterday, see if the bank is willing to work with you on a term loan basis. Again, it's just a bridge loan, right? If you need it for at least home improvement, if you needed to finance some equipment, or maybe you need it for working capital, so ask them if there's a possibility to give you a line of credit for the time being. It won't replace your SBA loan, right? It's just a bridge loan, but usually you already went through the whole paperwork with the bank. You give them all the financials, they have all your taxes, you went through the back and forth. This whole thing took you at least 2 months. Again, you kind of know them a little bit, right? And they already have all your financials, so they should be your first stop to work with them, right? That's it. Now, let me give you another side of those bridge loans. Sometimes alternative lenders would actually give you a call, especially now, and the pitch will go something like this. Hey, the government is shut down, Dems and Republicans, they never get along, they're never gonna get this shit together, sorry for the language. So listen, if you need money like yesterday, we can give it to you in less than 24 hours. And we won't run your credit, and we won't put a UCC. So, the bank won't even know that we give you the money. What do you think? What do you say? And then you think about it, and you're like, kind of like makes sense. Listen, the bank is not stupid, all right? They haven't been doing this for years. They know what kind of stuff people pull all the time. Sad will be that you take that cash advance, the bank, let's say that this took 15 days or more than a month, the bank now asks you for a month-to-day bank statement, and they see the daily or weekly payments. And because of it, they declined your SBA loan. Boy, oh boy, wouldn't that be sad? So think outside of the box, work with your banker, and see if there's a possibility to work out a bridge loan with them specifically. If you're thinking about getting an SBA loan, but you don't know where to do so because you don't know bankers that are flexible and they're willing to listen to your story, go to GeeGoals.com. We only ask 12 questions and we get you connected directly with a banker. Not even with AI or an AI agent, with a real human that you can talk to. It's an MVP. We only right here in Southern California for the time being. But if you're watching this from any other state, we invite you to sign up. Give us some feedback. Put it on the comments. What do you think about it? What we can do better? Because as a startup, that's exactly what we look for. That feedback so we can improve our product. Thank you so much. And business owners, stay healthy, be respectful, and also stay profitable. And if you want to know how to structure the financing to create sustainable and bankable businesses, you follow GeeGoals. Have a good day. Bye.